The VIVO X200 PRO bringing an impressive blend of style and functionality to the smartphone market. First off, the display. The VIVO X200 PRO features a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED 120Hz screen and 90.3% screen-to-body ratio and 1260 by 2800 pixels resolution, perfect for streaming your favorite shows or scrolling through social media. The colors pop, and the clarity is truly remarkable. Coupled with ample 16GB RAM and 1TB storage and processor upto octa-core 3.63 GHz and Immortalis G925 GPU, you can switch between apps smoothly without any lag. The VIVO X200 PRO boasts a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor and 200MP periscope telephoto and 50MP ultrawide camera, which means you'll capture stunning photos in any lighting condition. Lastly, the battery life is impressive, with a robust 6,000 mAh capacity with 90 watts super fast charging.